In this video, I will be showing you how to download and install Deepseek on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, I make sure I am on the official Deepseek chat interface in my browser. From here, I navigate to the top right corner of the window and click on the three vertical dots to open the Google Chrome browser options menu. Next, I look through the drop-down options and select Save and Share. This expands a secondary menu where I carefully find and select the option labeled Install Page as App. A confirmation modal instantly pops up in the middle of the screen, prompting me with Install this page as an app. It fills in the default title for the web application, which reads Deepseek, into the unknown. I look over to the blue button right next to it and click on Install. As soon as I do that, a brand new standalone application window launches seamlessly. The previous web browser background is hidden, and I am now looking at the interface wrapped perfectly as a desktop application with its own dedicated window controls. Now, let's test it out inside this newly installed application workspace. I position my mouse inside the chat input box at the bottom where it says Message Deepseek, and click to activate the cursor. I am going to type a test prompt to ensure everything works exactly as it should. I type out, recommend 10 documentaries that teach science, technology, or history. Once the prompt is completely typed out, I move my cursor over to the right side of the text area and click on the blue circular arrow button to submit the query. The application goes to work immediately, displaying a quick indicator that it is searching the web to gather data. Within seconds, it begins generating a highly detailed, comprehensive list right before my eyes. I can see it breaks down the recommendations cleanly into clear categories, starting off with a Science and Technology section. As I continue scrolling further down, the application displays the next category, which is History and Interdisciplinary. The entire installation process is completely finished, and the application is fully functional and ready to go directly from my Windows 11 desktop. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.